Today we're going to be making one of my favorite pasta dishes, kinoko pasta or mushroom pasta. Alright, so we'll first start out with 2 tablespoons of butter, about a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and about 4 cloves of garlic crushed, and then about a cup's worth of green onion chopped, about a cup of sliced shiitake mushrooms, a cup of shimeji mushrooms, and about 1.5 cups of maitake mushrooms. Can you guess my favorite mushroom? It's maitake. What's yours? And then we'll need about 3 to 4 slices of thick bacon, coarsely chopped. More bacon equals more flavor, so don't skimp here, I'm telling you. We're going to cook about a pound of spaghetti, but we're only going to use about 1/2 to 3/4 worth, depending on how much sauce you have. Once it's ready, drain it and reserve some pasta water and set aside. First, we're going to cook the bacon in some olive oil and saute that until it's crispy. Then we're going to add in the mushrooms with a little bit of salt. Make sure you stir it all up. Then we'll add in the butter. Butter goes so good with soy sauce. Oh man. Then we'll add in the garlic. Make sure to stir it up. Then we'll throw in about half of the noodles. You can add more as you see fit. Then we're going to put in about a 1/4 cup of pasta water. We're going to add in the shoyu, the soy sauce that we measured out before. And make sure that you stir everything really well. And then we'll finish off with some green onions. So that was my kinoko pasta, Japanese style pasta with mushrooms, soy sauce, garlic, and butter. As they would say in Japanese, umai, delicious. What do you like to put in your kinoko pasta? Do you have any tips or suggestions for making it better? Leave me a comment below. And if you'd like to see more Japanese recipes like this, subscribe if you haven't already. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.